County in central Texas, east central Hood County in north central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pecan Plantation to 6 miles southwest of Claiborne State Park to near Grand Falls Gap, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Burleson, Cleburne, Hillsboro, Granbury, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Clifton, Pecan Plantation, Venus, Whitney, Itasca, Grandview, Meridian, Godley, Bloom, Grand Falls Gap, Covington, and Cross Timber. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 355 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 35. Interstate 35 near mile marker 371. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Or disabled U.S. service members